Hi, hello, welcome my dear students. Now we are going to solve 2024 model question paper of science subject, that is specially biology, released by Karnataka School Examination and Assessment Board. Share this video as much as possible. Let's go. Part C, biology, 12th main MCQs. There are two MCQs. So here 27th question, the process that occurs in production of new individuals of planaria is, they are asking about planaria. So answer is B, regeneration. 28th question, a phenomenon that does not direct the speciation is, here geographical isolation, genetic drift, natural selection. All three are factors responsible for speciation, and DNA replication is not the factor responsible for speciation. So this is option D is the correct answer. 13th main, answer the following questions. 1 mark question. Two are there. 29th, which tropism are necessary to bring the growth in shoots and roots of the plants? Shoot. The tropism which helps here is phototropism, and roots of the plants, geotropism will helps the roots to penetrate deeper. So phototropism and geotropism is the correct answer. Question number 30. What type of pollination occurs in the given below type of flower? Why? Here cross pollination happens because this is a unisexual flower. Unisexual flowers, they are having either female reproductive part or male reproductive part. This flower contains only female reproductive part, so cross pollination happens in this flower. 14th main, answer the following questions. 3 into 2, 6. 31st, what are fossils? What are the methods of estimating the age of fossils? Fossils are the remains of the dead organisms of the past. Here, relative method and detecting the ratios of different isotopes, that is carbon dating. These are the two methods which are used for estimating the age of fossils. 32nd question, classify the following into natural and artificial ecosystems. Very easy question. Here, rainforest, lake, pond. These are natural ecosystems, and the crop field, it is a man-made or artificial ecosystem. Question number 33. Existing in enormous number and the tiny structures of both alveoli in lungs and nephrons in the kidneys are complementary to their work efficiency. How? Alveoli increases the surface area for gaseous exchange, making the process of respiration more efficient. And in the kidneys, nephron increases the surface area for filtration of nitrogenous waste from our body. 15th main, answer the following questions. 3 marks question, 3 questions will be there. 34. A. What are the problems caused by construction of large dams? Social problems, economic problems, and environmental problems. Social problems, peasants and tribals become homeless and do not get adequate compensation and rehabilitation. This is the social problem. Economic problem, large dams swallow up huge amount of public money. Environmental problem, deforestation, that is cutting off trees, and there will be a loss of biodiversity and there will be an ecological imbalance. These are the problems caused by construction of large dams. Question B in 34, who are the stakeholders of forests? The stakeholders of forests are local people, industrialists, forest department, wildlife and nature enthusiasts. Question number 35. A. Sexual reproduction in higher organisms brings the genetic stability among the population of species. How is it possible? Germ cells will have half number of chromosomes by a process of cell division called meiosis. When these germ cells from two individuals, that is one male and female, combine during the sexual reproduction to form a new individual, it results in re-establishment of the number of chromosomes, thus brings the genetic stability among population of the species. B question, surgical method of contraception is better than mechanical method of contraception. Why? Mechanical method of contraception, that is copper T or loop, can cause side effects in female due to irritation of uterus. So surgical method, that is tubectomy of contraception, is better than mechanical method of contraception. Question number 36. A. How homologous organs are differ from analogous organs? 3 marks question it is. Homologous organs, analogous organs. Homologous, they have similar internal structure and different function, that is same anatomy. And analogous, they have different internal structure and perform same function, that is different anatomy. Second, have common origin, and analogous, they have different origin. Homologous examples, hands of humans and wings of birds. Analogous organs examples, wings of birds and wings of insects. 36th B, an individual cannot pass its lifetime experience to its progeny or next generation. Explain with an illustration. Change in non-reproductive tissues or somatic cells cannot be passed on to the DNA of germ cells of the progeny. Example, dancing, swimming experiences gained during the lifetime. Experiences gained by the organisms are not transferred to the DNA and cannot be transferred to the progeny. Or question, pure round yellow seeds, that is homozygous pea plant, is crossed with the wrinkled green seed producing, that is homozygous pure pea plant, show the results obtained in F2 generation with the help of checkerboard and mention the ratio of a plant types produced. Phenotypic ratio, round yellow 9, round green 3, wrinkled yellow 3, wrinkled green 1, that is 9 is to 3 is to 3 is to 1. 16th main, 2 questions, there will be 4 marks, totally 8 marks. 37th A, which are the events that occur during the photosynthesis? During photosynthesis, the chlorophyll present in chloroplast absorbs the light, that is absorption of light energy by chlorophyll, conversion of light energy to chemical energy, splitting of water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen, reduction of carbon dioxide to carbohydrates. These are the events which occurs during photosynthesis. 37th B question, what is the importance of transpiration in the transportation of salts? Mention the different strategies found in plants during the excretion of waste. Transpiration helps in absorption and upward movement of salts from the soil. So different strategies of excretion in plants are, first one, transpiration. There will be loss of water. Waste products are stored in cellular large central vacuoles. So waste products are stored in vacuoles. Leaves that fall off, all the waste materials will be fixed in leaves that will fall off. Resins and gums in the old xylem. Some waste can be excreted by plants into the soil from roots. Or question, what is the function of buccal cavity and stomach in the digestion of food in our body? Saliva secreted by salivary glands contains an enzyme called salivary amylase. The function is to break down the complex starch molecule into simple sugar. So this is regarding mouth, that is buccal cavity. Next, stomach. In stomach, gastric glands are present. They release hydrochloric acid, pepsin, mucus. The function of HCl is creating an acidic medium. Here pepsin will become active. So and also the HCl, that hydrochloric acid, will kills the microorganisms. Pepsin digests the proteins. And the function of mucus is protecting the inner lining of the stomach from the action of acid. Or B question, mention the role of arteries and capillaries in the transportation of materials in our body. Arteries carry the oxygenated blood from heart to all the body parts. Capillaries bring the blood in contact with all the individual cells. So these are the role of arteries and capillaries in the transportation of materials in our body. Last question, there is a diagram of human brain and you have to label cerebellum and hypothalamus. You have to draw a neat diagram of brain and you have to mention these parts: hypothalamus, cerebellum. For more interesting animated videos, follow my channel Shri Gopal Kulkarni. Thanks for watching and all the best.